Hi, I'm Eric with MarineMax in Westbrook, Connecticut, and we are on a brand new model from Boston Whaler, the 21 Vantage. This is a model year 2025 that just arrived here in Westbrook. It's a really great layout, similar size to the 21 Montauk, but now you have dual console capabilities with a windshield, a little bit deeper seating, great layout for usage of either fishing or just cruising, heading over to the sandbar. We'll take a walk through this one and look at some of the features that it has. At the stern of the boat, you'll see that we've got two nice swim platforms to get on and off from, swim ladder on the starboard side. This boat is powered by a white Mercury 250, so great power option on this. It's the top of the line power that you can add on this boat. Gets out of the hole really quickly, great for towing if you're doing any type of wake sports behind the boat, and great power just to get out of the way. The flip-up seats, you'll notice there's storage underneath those. They dual as a casting platform or as comfortable rear seating. Very easy to flip up and hop right into. Great position, really safe feeling at the back of the boat. You'll also notice that we've got rod holders and cup holders here right in front of the splash well. And we have the optional cockpit table mounted at the stern. As you move forward, you'll notice more rod holders. This boat does have the fishing package, so we got a lot of rod holders. And underneath the convertible port lounge, we've got our live well, which is part of the fishing package option on this boat. The convertible lounge is a really unique layout. So this backrest actually flips forward and backwards, so you can fit two and two, or move it all the way down. And the smart design here with the pads on the head door allows you to completely lay out facing back very comfortably. And with the bimini top option that we have on this boat, you'll be protected from the sun. Also, storage under here, so that whole convertible lounge seat is comfortable and very useful when you have a lot to bring on board. JL audio system with a Fusion radio head. So we've got 4 speakers throughout the boat. As you come up to the helm area, we've got our Simrad touchscreen display for sonar and chart plotting. USB outlets, analog gauges, all of your switches, beautiful stainless steel steering wheel, a speed knob, and the digital throttle and shift with active trim on there, so you don't need to trim the engine up and down to find that sweet spot when you're underway. Using GPS, Mercury has dialed it in to give you the most optimal speed and trim combination. Cup holders, standard compass, and check out the space in here. We've got dedicated storage for the optional cockpit table. As we move forward, we've got our wind dam door. Windshield folds over, that'll block any of the wind going through there. And we've got great access for storage. We've got our Boston Whaler 5-gallon bucket, which has a nice little spot. If you were to use it as a trash can, you can just open this in, throw whatever you need to, and it's going to drop right in the bucket. And another great feature of this under helm storage area is this entire seat will flip up. It actually gives you room to store 4 7-foot rods. Up here at the bow, we've got great layout speakers. We've got stainless steel grab rails with the cup holders built into the grab rails, and then storage for our anchor. Very comfortable spot and seating up here. There's also insulated storage underneath this seat. Again, the layout is amazing. We're really happy the Boston Whaler came out with a 21-foot dual console. It fits a multitude of purposes for a lot of different types of boating. And we'd love you to come by Westbrook MarineMax to come check it out in person. Thanks for touring the boat. I hope to see you soon.